Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize your Pinterest profile, including changing your photo, updating your bio, add links, or even switching your profile to private or public. So let's get started. First, just open your Pinterest app on your phone, and then if you are not logged in yet, just go ahead and sign in using your Google account. And then once you're in, just tap on your profile tab or profile page. Just tap on icon at the bottom right corner, this one. And after that, just tap on the profile icon at the left top left corner, like this. And then just tap on view profile, and then just tap on edit profile, like this. And then next, just start editing your informations, like maybe change the profile photo. Just tap on edit, and then tap on update profile picture, and then just choose your photo, and after that just tap on done, like this. And then you can also edit your first name and last name, and then edit your username over here, edit your pronouns that you want to use, and then update your bio over here, like just write a short description about yourself, like maybe your styles, interests, or what your Pinterest account is about maybe. And then next, you can also add links over here. You can also input your online shop links, or portfolio, Instagram, TikTok, or your other social media. Just paste the link in here and then just save it. And after that, and once you're done about the edit, just tap on done, like this. Next, let's set your profile to private or public. Just go back and then just tap on profile visibility, like this. And then in here you will see an option for private profile or private account. If you want your account to be private, just tap the toggle to turn it on, like this. And then next, your account will be private and only approve followers that can see your pins and words. And then if you want to make your account public again, just simply tap the toggle off to unlock your profile again, like this. It's super simple. And okay, that's it. That's how you can edit and fully customize your Pinterest profile in just a few steps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.